I still remember the first day at work a few years ago. I got referred by a friend of a friend, but I haven't met him before. I wanted to say thanks to him for referring me to the job, but I was startled to meet him in person as he looked so much different from his LinkedIn profile picture that I almost couldn't recognize. Hi everyone, I'm Thea from theaho.co, helping skilled migrants and international graduates get jobs and live a better life. Do you know what catches the attention of hiring managers first when they visit your LinkedIn profile? It's your profile photo. A good photo can build a good impression about your profile and increase the chances of getting interviews. So in this video, I'm going to share with you several effective tips to build that good impression. So watch this video to the end because the tips near the end are so important. Are you ready? Let's get to it. Now, you probably met someone whose LinkedIn profile photo looks nothing like how they look now. So the first tip I have for you is to choose a photo that looks like you. Maybe that photo was taken 10 years ago before they started wearing glasses, or they look much younger at that time. It may be startling to meet them in person if you've only got that photo to go with. I still remember the first day at work a few years ago. I got referred by a friend of a friend, but I haven't met him before. I wanted to say thanks to him for referring me to the job, but I was startled to meet him in person as he looked so much different from his LinkedIn profile picture that I almost couldn't recognize. So, make sure your LinkedIn profile picture is up to date within the last 2 to 3 years and reflects how you look on a daily basis. The same hairstyle, glasses, or makeup. And if you do change your appearance significantly, consider taking a fresh picture to keep your profile up to date. The first moment you meet the hiring manager might be when you come to the interview. It's great to build a good impression when they can quickly identify you. So don't let it happen as in my situation, where they're not sure whether they're meeting the right person or not. Now, tip number 2 is to use a high resolution image. If the picture looks a bit blurry when you upload it, you may want to choose a different one because it may build an impression of not so professional about you to the hiring manager. What do they notice first when they visit your profile? Your name and profile picture. So the first impression is very hard to change, so you better build a good one from the get-go. My tip for you is to take a new photo. Don't take a picture of your ID photo, but also just keep it simple. You don't need to have your photo taken by a professional photographer. You can ask your friend or family member to take a photo of you using your mobile phone. It would be good enough for your LinkedIn profile. If you haven't already, please click subscribe to my channel. I will make sure to keep you updated with all the latest strategies about your job search. Now, I've seen so many LinkedIn profile pictures that are too small to see their face clearly. So my next tip for you is to make sure your face takes up at least 60% of the frame. Have a look at the picture below. Can you see her face clearly? I cannot. When your profile isn't clear, it can't build a good impression on the hiring manager. It may affect your credibility as well. As humans, we don't like uncertainty. We don't like what we're not clear about. Instead, aim to have your face filling at least 60% of the frame. You can use the crop function of LinkedIn to crop the picture from the top of your head to your shoulders so that your face fills the frame. Before I move to the next tip, please click subscribe to my channel. I will make sure to keep you updated with all the latest strategies to help you get a job. Now, have you ever looked at a profile photo and don't know who is the right person? I have, and many times. For example, look at the picture below. You can see not only one person in there, which may cause confusion to other people. So my next tip for you is to be the only person in the picture. Again, this works best when you ask someone to take a photo for you with the clear intention of using it on your LinkedIn. As you check the picture with a clear purpose, it's easy for you to be the only person in the photo. It will build a professional impression and demonstrate to the hiring manager that you're a serious candidate. Now, my next tip for you is very simple: smile in your photo. Your profile picture is an opportunity to convey your personal brand. In general, smiling can make you look more approachable. A study of 800 profile pictures also found that people view you as more likable, competent, and influential if you smile in your pic. One more insight from the study is that smiles that show teeth were rated twice as likable as closed-mouth smiles. So try to have a bigger smile when taking the photo. You can practice in front of a mirror first to see which smile you like best. I know you don't want to look uncomfortable, so just do what feels natural to you. Before I move to the next tip, please click subscribe to my channel, and I will make sure to keep you updated with all the latest strategies to help you get your job. Now, where you take your picture matters, as you don't want anything to distract from your face. So my next tip for you is to avoid distracting backgrounds. So choose a simple background, as it can help ensure that you're the only focus in the photo. I don't mean that you have to stand in front of a white and empty background. You can take the picture outside in nature or against a painted wall. For example, I was standing in front of an orange background, or this girl stands in front of a plain wall. Now, you've got many tips to make a perfect profile photo, but you may ask me the important question: what should I wear in my picture? Good question. Before giving you the answer, I've got good news to share with you. I'm going to launch the Ace a Job online course in the next 1 to 2 months. If you like the tips I'm sharing with you in this video, you would like the strategies I'm coaching you in Ace a Job. I used to offer one-on-one coaching service, but not anymore. In this online course, I use exactly the same strategies that I coach my one-on-one clients and package it into an online course to make it affordable and more convenient for you to get my coaching. My one-on-one clients got amazing results of landing 5 to 6 figure salary jobs. So if you join this course, you will get the same amazing results. Right now, you can register to my waitlist at theaho.co/AHA waitlist, and you will be one of the first ones to know when the course is open. Again, the link to join is theaho.co/AHA waitlist. I have a lot of discount in the first launch, so join me. Now, getting back to the question of what you should wear in your profile picture. The answer is very simple. Wear what you would wear to work. It depends on your profession. You may wear a suit when you work in a bank, or you can wear a smart casual outfit when you work in a more relaxed environment. So just follow the dress code of your profession, and if you're in doubt, overdress a little bit is always better than underdress. For example, I usually wear the smart casual outfit in my job, but for the profile picture, I wear a blazer outside to build a more professional image. It also helps me feel much more confident and get a good expression in my photo. Another tip for you is that solid colors tend to do best on camera. Don't choose an outfit with complicated patterns, or it will distract the hiring manager as it does with a distracting background. Instead, use color blocking for your outfit. Choose bold colors with no or light patterns can help you make your pic really pop. Choosing the wrong profile picture can build a not so good impression to the hiring managers. It may make or break your chances of getting an interview, because your profile picture is the first place where hiring managers notice first. So do you agree with me that choosing the wrong photo can cost you a job? Let me know in the comments below whether you agree or not. And also make sure that you will check out these two videos right here, where I give you so many effective tips about building your LinkedIn profile to increase your success rate of getting interviews. Now in this video, I have shared with you important but easy to do tips to catch the hiring manager's attention right away when they view your LinkedIn profile. It's great, but it's still not enough, because when they move further down on your profile, you should build a good impression that you're the qualified candidate for the job they're recruiting for. To help you build that strong profile, I would like to invite you to my free resume masterclass, How to Get Interviews in 6 Seconds and Land a Job Offer. It's the strategy that helped my clients land their 5 to 6 figure salary full-time jobs in a matter of weeks. So make sure you don't miss out. The link to join is theaho.co/resume. It's also in the first comment of this video. Now, if you have any questions for this video or any questions about your job search, let me know in the comments below. I will make new videos to answer your questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not missing out on the latest job search strategies for free. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.